If you or a coworker does get overheated, you need to know what you can do to deal with the situation. For the most part, it's fairly easy to treat problems like heat stress, heat cramps, and heat exhaustion. You can recover from these conditions with some rest and by replacing the fluid and minerals you've lost through sweating. But as we've discussed, if you don't take steps to relieve conditions like heat cramps and exhaustion, you can run the risk of going into heat stroke. Symptoms of heat stroke include hot, flushed skin, dilated pupils, and an extremely high body temperature. You need to act immediately if you think someone is going into heat stroke. First, call for emergency medical services. Take the victim to a cooler area, away from sources of heat and direct sunlight. Work to bring the victim's temperature down as quickly as you can. If possible, immerse them in a cool bath or wrap them in wet sheets or towels and get a fan going. Keep cooling the victim, refreshing the water or changing the sheets and towels until medical help arrives.